Alright, today we're gonna be making some French toast this morning. Vegan French toast. So I want y'all to be along with us as we make this vegan French toast.
And they need to hurry up because I'm hungry right now.
We hurrying up. Let me show you who I have with me today.
Jaden, Robbie, your girl Missy.
Alright, he did. Guys, so look, this is what we're gonna have to make this French toast. We need 2 bananas, some milk. We're using walnut milk we made just a few minutes ago, some flax seeds. We have cinnamon,
vanilla.
That's the flax seeds we use. We have some date paste,
and we have milk,
bananas, walnuts,
bread,
some bread.
To make the form the French toast.
What's up, Thompson Gang? Don't forget to subscribe and
What we gotta put in the blender though?
a blender.
The milk.
I know we need the milk.
To put in the blender, I know that.
Blend right bananas, milk, and cinnamon in blender into creamy and smooth.
Got you. So
cinnamon and
we're not using
vanilla?
cinnamon yet.
No, it's bananas, milk, and cinnamon.
So we're gonna use 1 cup of milk.
Isn't this
I got it. You just hold it.
Already 1 cup?
Mm-hmm.
It's a cup.
Oh, no.
Where's it more? A little bit more.
All right.
A little bit more.
That's enough. Pour it in there.
Milk.
The milk, we need cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
I know, but we're not gonna do cinnamon yet.
How much vanilla?
We're gonna do 2 squirts. 1, 2. 2 squirts, not 2 pours.
How I did. That was using it.
So then after we do that,
Close it.
we blend it, right?
Yeah, we
We
blend
blend
it.
it. So we got y'all know what we gotta add?
Flax seeds. Let me see the spoon. Let me see what spoon.
Blend it up again.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Might be. I don't know.
It says nice and smooth and creamy.
Okay, where's the spoon at?
What does it do next, Robbie?
Just pour it into a wide, flat bowl.
Just make sure
A flat bowl, it says.
it's flat enough. So the reason we go stop, Jay, we're gonna pour some in here and then pour some in here.
Then we're gonna use the cinnamon, a great
Well, now you have to heat the griddle pan to a low medium heat.
Okay.
You did that.
It's already heated. It smells good. It's cinnamon.
So put it in that one.
Pour it.
And sprinkle. That's enough.
That's
This is the one that,
No, that's the one without the cinnamon.
this one with the cinnamon. We're gonna add.
We already added vanilla in the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
So, because we ain't gotta worry about it, we blend it. And then,
Hey.
You doing what, Corey?
It tastes like French. Smells like French toast.
Hey, we finna see today. What did us do next,
not
right?
being
Cover
interesting
each
at a
individual bread slice evenly and put it in. You gotta soak both sides. You want cinnamon? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, well you gotta go over there.
I want cinnamon.
You gotta put both sides, and then now we gotta bring it to the stove.
Can I get my bread?
Oh, so we
You got you wait.
It's looking good, looking good.
How was that
What are you
looking?
looking for?
Something like this.
Oh.
Mama!
There you go. There you go.
Put it on the
Cause
stove.
2 can go on 1.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta wash my hands.
Go wash your hands.
I want this.
Okay. I love cinnamon.
Ouch. Excuse me.
You don't. Oh, you want cinnamon yours?
This is gonna be the cinnamon and vanilla tray.
Right. And the other one is just the milk and banana tray. You just got milk and banana out there.
Oh, it sounds good.
No, Jay, wait. It said put on low or medium.
Yeah.
Put on and then it cooks for 3 to 5 minutes.
Or what you call it? And then iron pad so it gets hotter. It gets hotter.
No, flip that one back over.
Jaden, relax.
I just started so I can see how it is. Oh, it's gonna be good.
So good. So good. Let's go.
So good. So good.
The monkey.
That's not coconut oil?
Yeah, that's what I'm like. Yeah, it's coconut oil.
Mama, put the rest of the bread in the cinnamon thingy.
Not yet.
Put that in here.
Yeah, that's
Ooh, that smells
good.
Who wants to take
What?
over?
This one?
Me.
I'll get it started, okay?
I'm taking over.
So lift it up a little bit.
That one smells like smoothie over there.
Wait.
I didn't hear you saying wait.
I said wait.
I said you vote. I was thinking too fast. Saying wait. I think you should say wait.
Huh?
I got it. Here. What are you doing? Flip that thing over.
I can taste the banana. Like
No.
banana.
Mama. Wow.
Why are you yelling? That is very rude.
We're not putting it on.
That's for mine, actually.
Focus, flip that over. I smell something burning.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Because we need good French toast. That is starting to
That is French toast right here. Grilling the French toast.
Don't smell it.
It smells like bananas. It's what it tastes like, bananas. Bananas is the main thing.
Who's drinking this milk? They still drinking it?
You done drinking it right?
That was the last one to drink it. Yeah.
Did you drink some?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Put it on what when it's done? What do I put it on? What do I put on? Okay, put on that.
Paper.
No paper. Crazy.
Wait.
Wait, okay.
Not wait.
No.
It's wait.
Wait.
There's not. Next one. Next question. Yeah.
Let me hold that so I can scrape this stuff off.
I'm gonna do it. Can I do
Let me hold that so I can scrape this stuff off. Alright, move Jay.
Okay,
Because he want to do one.
Listen, look.
Put it on there.
Look.
Okay. I know I didn't say it.
One here.
All right, guys, how's the French toast? Some
Real
good. Is it better than the one you got at the store?
No.
I mean, not at the store, but at like the restaurant.
No.
No.
Kinda. Where you ate French toast at?
I don't remember.
All right, so out of 1 to 5, what do y'all give it?
A 5.
A 5? Okay. Missy, what do you give it? 1 to 5?
A 5.
A 5?
You didn't try it?
Evie, what do you give it?
A 5.
A 5? All right, guys, and I give it a 5 too.
Peace.
Peace and love to the family. Make sure y'all subscribe.